This 2012 Damon Astoria 36MQ is a Class A RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Damon is 37 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, stovetop burner, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, refrigerator, smoke detector, air conditioning, slide-out, LP detector, and 91 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.